This is Biotronix Syrebo E12 hand rehabilitation device. You can say soft robotic pneumatic hand rehabilitation device, and this is the advanced latest technology from the Syrebo, and we are the distributor of the same, Biotronix here International. So you can see this is the host device, and this is the rehabilitation glove. This is the wireless data glove, and these are the chargers. This is for charging the same, the data glove. And now I will show you the demo of the device one by one, all the training modes, features and everything to you. So the device is having the LCD screen, you can see, and this device is having the wireless data glove, while other model in the market is having wired data glove only. And the device is having 6 different training modes, while the other device in the market is having 3 training modes or lesser than the same. So this is the latest with the maximum training modes and app connectivity and gaming option. So now I will give you the demo of each training mode and demo of the device also. So now I just long press the same to switch it. I have already charged the same. This is a rechargeable model, while the other models, cheaper model or economical model in the market is direct operated, don't have the option for charging an hour. So this is already charged with the charger, and now I have switched on the same, and using this button I can select 6 modes. You can see first training mode is passive training mode, mirror training mode, fine motor training mode, opposition training mode, pinch mode, and last one is stretching mode. So in the passive training mode you can adjust 2 parameters. In the passive training mode, the rehabilitation hand will extend and flex. So you can adjust the time of the extension and flexion. Also you can adjust the power or intensity of the flexion and extension, the power at which the hand will flex and extend. So you can adjust the time as well as the power from 1 to 9. So this is the button to adjust the same. For adjusting the time, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. And this is the extension. And if you want to adjust the power, you have to press that button. You will be switch to the power mode, and now you can adjust the power.
3, 9, 1, 2.
So now I will start the same. As you can see, currently you can see the activity in the rehabilitation gloves. Hand is getting extended.
Clench your hand.
Flexion.
Open your hand.
Opening of the hand.
Clench your hand.
Flexion again. So the passive motion will be provided by the gloves to the affected hand, and that will be repeated over the time period we have already set in the frame. And this is the passive training mode. So in the passive training mode, you can adjust the power as well as the flexion and extension time.
Clench your hand.
This is the only feature in this latest model only. In the other models in the market, you can't adjust the power of the system.
Clench your hand.
So this is the passive training mode.
Pause.
Now I hold the mode, and now I will switch to the other training mode. This is the mirror training mode. In the mirror training mode, you have this rehabilitation glove plus this data glove. This is the wireless data glove. The patient need to wear the same in the normal hand, or the doctor can wear the same, or the patient relative or the person who is taking care of the same can wear the same. So the activity that person will perform in that data glove, that data glove hand, that will be repeated in that will be mirrored and copied into the rehabilitation. Now I will show you how this will happen. I just start the same. You can see now I will contact my hand. So the same is getting repeated in the rehabilitation. The time I will keep on my hand on the flexion mode, it will remain. And now I will open the frame. It's getting open now. So the activity I will perform in the same, it will be repeated in the same. So if I go for the 2 finger only, like this 2 finger, those two fingers will go in the contraction mode. I open the same will open. So in this rehabilitation, in this model, E12 model, in the data glove, you will be having sensors in all the fingers. So every sensor every activity you perform in any of the finger, that will be sensed by this sensor and will be performed over here. While other models in the market or the previous model only have one sensor in the same, either you can contract your whole hand or you can extend your whole hand. But this model is having all the fingers having the sensor in the same. You can see this is the sensor. Like if I contract this finger, only this finger will goes contracted. So this is the advanced feature of this device only, and this is the mirror training mode. I just paused the same, and now I am switching to the fine motor mode. Now you will see what happened in the fine training mode. I have just started the same, and you can see the thumb finger is getting contracted. The thumb is getting contracted. Thumb will go open now, and one by one each finger will go to the flexion mode and extension mode. So next finger will now flex and extend. So by this fine motor training mode, you can build up fine motor connection in the brain with each and every finger and thumb of your hand. So now I'm pausing the same, switching the same to the fourth training mode, which is opposition training mode, where the thumb will form a pinch between the opposite fingers. This thumb will form the pinch between this finger, the thumb will pinch with this, and so on. So now I'm showing you the demo feature. The index pinch is formed, and this voice broadcast everything that is happening over here. The device will keep on telling the patient, doctor. So the voice broadcast also the latest feature of the device. The same can also be turned off if doctor or patient wants the same, or the same can be used too. So this is the opposition training mode. Now the next training mode is pinch training mode. In the pinch training mode, the pinch is formed between thumb and the first finger, then thumb and the first two fingers, then thumb and the three fingers, then thumb and the four fingers. So this is the pinch demo of the pinch training mode. So you can see now the pinch will form between thumb and these two fingers. The same will open now, and the pinch will again form between first three fingers and the thumb. So this is the pinch training mode, and now the next training mode and the last training mode is the stretching. When all the trainings done, last training mode is the stretching training mode, where the hand will go to the stretching mode, and then will get relaxed. I will show you the demo of it. So I was stretching mode. Now you will see that hand will go in the stretching mode. It will keep on stretching, and it will stretch for a while, and after that it will relax. So it's getting extended. It will keep on stretching. It will keep on stretching.
Relax.
Now relax. So every action the device is doing, it will be broadcasting the same as a voice message. So these are the 6 training modes. These 6 different training modes which help to rehab the hand and build the motor connection very faster than any other model in the market, because there are lot of different trainings and focus on each and every finger. And the same device also can be controlled using an app that can be downloaded from the Syrebo website. Syrebo website, you will download E12 app and you will install the same in your Android phone, and you can see I have already installed the same with the name Syrebo Workstation, and now I will show you the demo of that app too. So I just open the app, connect. I have already created the login ID, and I'm just logging in with that login ID. you have to create that login ID for the first time you are using the app. After that you can use that login ID to log in. So these are the three different interface of the app. You can see this is the training mode, where you can select the training and you will be able to control all those activity